Hi guys, today I received a set of dumbbells, barbells for viewing purposes that I actually got right here. I've already set it up. This one? It's quite nice. So I'm gonna explain how you can work out with this. This set of barbells and dumbbells include four dumbbells of 4.4 pounds, another four dumbbells of 3.3 pounds, and last four dumbbells of 2.8 pounds. So you can work out how you like it, with how much weight you want. Okay, it comes with four of these fixing nuts, so you can put at the end of the dumbbell bar or the barbell bar, and it's really nice because you can make different kinds of dumbbells and barbells like this. I have it like this because it's how I mostly train. But I can obviously change the configuration, as you will see. You just unscrew every part, take the disc apart of the another dumbbell, and there you go. Just get the connector there, tighten it up very firm so it won't slip or anything like that, and you get a dumbbell. These have a very nice grip design, so it doesn't slip, and they're very well balanced, so it won't roll when you're making exercise. So I think they're quite nice, and it also comes with this kettle handle and kettle piece base. This is a base; it just comes one, but it's really practical to use. Different kind of trainings you can do with it, which I quite like. This is perfect if you don't have much time to go to the gym and stuff like that, so you can work out your home, and which is really nice. I like them a lot. They are very easy to use, as you have seen. You just unscrew them, and they're very practical. I like a lot this connector piece right here because it helps you to make a longer dumbbell bar, so you can make different kinds of exercise, like for your back or your chest, which is really nice. I think that the length of the dumbbells bars, these small ones, are quite nice because they can fit a lot of dumbbell pieces, so you can set your weight as you can do your exercise better always. So I really like them, and I really recommend them.